Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. We all face setbacks in life. They are inevitable, inescapable bumps on the road to our aspirations. Failure, in all its forms, is a universal human experience. It's not a matter of if we will fail, but how we choose to respond to it that defines us. Today, I stand before you, not as a self-proclaimed guru or an epitome of perfection, but as a fellow traveler on this journey of life, someone who has stumbled, fallen, and risen again. My story is not unique. It echoes the experiences of countless individuals who have transformed their setbacks into comebacks, their failures into stepping stones to success. I come from humble beginnings, raised in an environment where opportunities were scarce and challenges were a constant companion. Education was my key to a brighter future, my ticket out of the cycle of poverty and limited prospects. I studied diligently, fueled by an unwavering belief in the transformative power of knowledge. My academic journey was not without its hurdles. There were moments of self-doubt where the weight of expectations and the fear of failure threatened to overwhelm me. I faced rejection, criticism, and moments of despair, questioning my abilities and wondering if I was on the right path. But I refused to let these setbacks define me. Instead, I chose to view them as opportunities for growth, lessons to be learned, and obstacles to be overcome. I embraced failure as an integral part of the learning process, a catalyst for resilience and determination. With each setback, I picked myself up, dusted myself off, and emerged stronger, wiser, and more determined than before. I learned to adapt, to pivot, to find new paths and strategies when the old ones didn't work. I discovered the power of perseverance, the unwavering belief in oneself, even when the odds seem stacked against you. My journey was not a solitary one. I was surrounded by a supportive network of family, friends, and mentors who believed in me, who lifted me up when I faltered, and who celebrated my successes. Their unwavering support was a constant source of strength and motivation. As I reflect on my journey, I've come to realize that setbacks are not signs of weakness or failure. They are opportunities for growth, for self-discovery, and for refining our approach. They teach us valuable lessons about resilience, adaptability, and the importance of perseverance. Here are some key lessons I've learned from my own experiences. 1. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as a teacher. Every setback holds valuable lessons, insights into your strengths and weaknesses, and opportunities to improve. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn, grow, and improve. View challenges as opportunities for development, not as roadblocks to your success. 3. Perseverance is key. Don't give up when faced with obstacles. Persistence and determination are essential qualities for overcoming setbacks and achieving your goals. 4. Seek support and guidance. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and can offer encouragement and advice when you need it. 5. Learn from others. Study the stories of successful individuals who have overcome adversity. Their experiences can provide valuable insights and inspiration. 6. Celebrate your successes. Take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. 7. Never stop learning. Continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. Embrace new knowledge and experiences. 8. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive mindset can make a significant difference in how you approach challenges and setbacks. 9. Take action. Don't just sit back and wait for things to happen. Take action, experiment, and learn from your experiences. 10. Believe in yourself. Never underestimate your own potential. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your dreams. Remember, failure is not the end, it's a beginning. It's a chance to start anew, to learn from your mistakes, and to come back stronger. Each setback is an opportunity to refine your approach, to develop new strategies, and to emerge as a more resilient, determined, and successful individual. So, embrace your setbacks, learn from your failures, and never give up on your dreams. The path to success is paved with resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief in your own potential.